Hi folks, thanks for tuning in. Today's question is, what is elder abuse and what can I do about it? Today you will learn what to look for as far as elder abuse, who to report such abuse to, and what you may be able to do moving forward to prevent it or stop it. Hi, I'm attorney Robert Pecori. I've been helping families with elder law and estate planning matters now for 28 years in my family's firm, Pecori Pecori. What is elder abuse? So it can take many forms, but if you boil it down, it's basically taking advantage of those in need. With the elderly, sometimes it's obvious. With someone with diminished capacity, they're very vulnerable, they need protection. But also you can have an older loved one who can be perfectly healthy, competent, and independent, but still easily influenced. So someone might be able to take advantage of them. Abusers are most often caregivers, like in a nursing home or a home care service, but they're also going to be family, friends, a trusted individual like a power of attorney or a healthcare provider. There are various types of abuse, but here's some tips on what to look for and what to recognize. Number one, physical abuse. Look for bruising, look for scarring. This one's usually obvious. Less obvious is dehydration. If your loved one is gaunt in appearance and confused, they may be dehydrated, which is a form of neglect from a caregiver. Mental and emotional abuse. Caregivers treating them poorly, perhaps. Watch for changes. You know your loved one, so you should be able to recognize if they're fearful, if they're anxious, if they're overly quiet. Ask them what's going on and find out. Financial abuse. This can be blatant stealing, but also manipulation. Example, I had a client recently. She's 98 years old. She's legally blind. She had a soft spot for her grandson. She received a check for $17,000 after cashing a CD, which she promptly signed over to the grandson. But then she commented to family how she gave him $1,700, not $17,000. The family got involved. They asked for the money back, but of course he disappeared with the funds. It's pretty apparent what happened in this situation. Who do you report stuff like this and abuse to? Number one, AAA, the Area Agency on Aging in your county. They will investigate such actions and they'll turn it over to law enforcement. With things like physical abuse or financial, you can report it directly to the police. You can also go to perhaps your district attorney's office. Some of them have a specific elder law abuse section. The grandson in my example was reported there. So what can you do to stop or prevent it? Obviously, keep your eyes open. Watch for changes in your loved one. If you have power of attorney, watch their financials closely. Look at statements, look at the checkbook, see if there's any unusual activity, and don't be afraid to speak up if needed. For more information about elder abuse, please check out my website at pecorielderlaw.com. You can also set up a free consultation on my website if you've been subject to elder abuse and would like some additional help. If you have additional questions about this or any other topic, please drop us a comment below and I'll be happy to answer it. Thanks again and have a great day.